Hello and welcome to this session where we will present the Sweet Fall Release 2024. My name is Sofia Joristed and I will take you through all the new features and functions that we delivered in this release. Stay tuned! This release brings you features within all of our platforms, from CRM to Forms to automation. One of my highlights are the list component. It's a preview feature, which is our first version of this component that allows you to bring in data from whatever integrated system you have from Sweet Automation and showcase that as a list in your CRM or Forms platform. This list gives you the freedom of showing the data you like as you like it in this platform. This is great. This gives you the ability to provide it from sources that you couldn't before, and also showcase, let's say, your form answers or a customized case selection list of your choice. This is a great feature that you will have such an advantage of, so you should really try it out and make sure to give us your feedback since this feature is still in development. So please give us your feedback when you have tried it. Apart from the list component, we provide you with the custom theming feature. This allows you to customize the user interface within Sweet CRM and Forms. This means you can add your own logo to the interface as well as your colors for the elements as well as the font. This is a pro feature. Make sure to add it to your subscription to get going. When it comes to forms, we have also added a new way of spreading and sharing your forms, which is the QR code. We have also enhanced the way you can share your links so that it's easy for you to share your forms and get your form answers back. In terms of Sweet Automation, we have now a new integration to a message queue and service broker, the Microsoft Azure Service Bus. This allows you to listen to events and react in real time based on what happens. This is one of the new connections that you can add to your Sweet Automation plan. Apart from that, we have enhanced our document management, both in terms of our SharePoint and Microsoft integration, where you can both download and upload files in between Suite and SharePoint, as well as the Teams connection. We have also given you a PDF merge feature that allows you to merge several PDFs into one. Like that was not enough, we also offer you to create templates from information that you store in Suite and showcase it in either Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel as your templates. This and much more you will find in this release. Let's dig into it. Let's start with the list component. The component where you can showcase information from either your CRM, your form answers, or any other integrated data source that you have in Sweet Automation. It's actually based on a selection query that you must provide from your Sweet Automation subscription. And when you have created this selection, you can make it available on the API to publish it within the Sweet Forms or CRM platform. So, what you will be able to do with this list component? You will be able to configure your own lists, and you can actually replace the lists that we have provided you within the standard version of Sweet CRM and Forms. So, this means that you can actually replace, let's say, one of the tabs on your customer card or on your case card. So you can make it your own and provide exactly the information that you are looking for. You could, if you want to, replace one of our selection lists that you find from the side menu. What is good to know is that in this preview version, we do not support all of the features and functions that we have in our standard selection list. Just to give you a brief example. For example, you cannot export this list to Excel just yet. You cannot edit in list just yet, as well as marking several and add actions to it. So bear in mind that is more of a static list at this point. We are continuing developing this one, so in the future you will get more and more features as we go. But at this stage, I would say it's perfect for replacing your tabs and the list that we provide in the tabs on an entity like case or customer, for example. Another good example of where to use it and how is on your start page. If you would like to provide information, let's say the latest exchange rate that you have imported from somewhere, you could, if you want to, showcase it on your start page. Or only your ongoing deals, only your related cases from your case management. It's up to you to decide what to display and where. Please try it out. You find it from the DIY config mode. So you must be a core developer for this to be available. And you do it from the test environment and then you publish it to your actual live environment.
In this video, you'll learn how to set up the list component. We're thrilled to introduce one of the most anticipated features, the list component. This new feature allows you to create and display custom lists within Sweet CRM and Forms, regardless of the data source. This is an incredibly powerful addition that lets you pull in data from various sources, whether it's an integrated financial system, customer database, or data from external partners. And of course, you're able to use Sweet CRM and Forms data. Thanks to Sweet Automation, you can display this information directly within Sweet, creating a centralized view of all relevant data. In this example, we will show you how you place a new list of cases on your Start page and on a Case tab. We will look at how to configure a selection query to use as your data source, how to place a new list block in the Sweet CRM or Forms user interface, as well as how you can manage identification of current user, visible and background filters together with column management. This feature gives you maximum control over how data is presented and used in Sweet, increasing both flexibility and efficiency across your organization, all in a fraction of the time. Let's explore some of the key features that make the list component so powerful. Customizable lists. Easily create custom lists by selecting information to display from any of your data sources. You can connect your Sweet data or other integrated sources using Sweet Automation. Filters. Set up background filters and visible user filters to define what data should be displayed and what can be filtered by users. Permissions control. With multiple levels of permission settings, you can manage who sees what. For example, background filters can limit lists to show only relevant cases like My Cases, while visibility rules determine which user roles can access the list component. Column and field definition. Choose exactly which data fields should be visible in your list for a tailored experience. Easy placement. Place lists where you need them using Sweet's UI interface, putting critical data right at your user's fingertips. Let's get started building. All lists must start in Sweet Automation, the integration engine and selection query manager. By connecting your data sources, you can build powerful and useful list views from your data. A Sweet Automation license and an API user is required, as well as a Sweet Automation connection. I have prepared a selection query based on cases from Sweet CRM. This could just as well be customer information, or data from another system, or a file. I click the case selection from the menu to look at the data source. In the tab called Results, I can see the data source's all available information in the 3 structure below. I can add more fields to my results by double-clicking on it. To the right, I see my selected result columns. By clicking the tab for conditions, I can see any predefined filter conditions, but since I want all cases in this list, I don't use any conditions here. To preview the list results, click the play button to run the selection query. To enable this list for the list component, click the cogs. Now make sure your list have a describing name so you can easily find it, and a unique key. The key will be necessary for the publication of a list between test and production environments. To make it available on the API, publish it to A for all on your API user. Now, you're ready to switch over to Sweet CRM or Forms. In the top menu, click the DIY icon to start your configuration. You must have the user feature admin core developer for this to be visible. Click on existing customizations. Select any of your customizations to start. Now you're in customization mode. I want to add a list on my case follow-up tab. Click on case follow-up. So I click it to navigate to it, and then click the toolbox icon to start configuring the page. Click on Add New Block and select Sweet Automation List. Give it a name. Click on Add. And now you must save. Write a change comment like added list component for all cases. I forgot to define where in the user interface I want to display my list. So once again, click the toolbox icon to open the configuration and just drag and drop the new block to the top to display it in the top. Save when done. Now I can see my recently added list component. Click on Admin Settings to begin modifying it. Select your data source. Here we will display the available connections. Then select your data set, the selection query I prepared in the beginning. Click on Case Selection to select it. In this list, I want to display only cases related to the logged in user, so I must now map list columns to my user. Click on Map Entities to start. First off, I select the entity for users called iUser. Then I must specify what column contains information about users. Here it's the column called Responsible. Click on Responsible to select it. Click the plus button to add it and confirm your mapping. Click on Close when done. Now you must set a default filter to always use the logged in user filter in the background. Go to the filter for Responsible and select the iUser filter that you just mapped. Click on Update to apply the change. If this filter should be hidden from the users, also disable the filter from filters, otherwise leave it as is. To hide it, click Filters, Filter Options, and click on the eye on the field for Responsible to hide it. Click on Admin Settings again to also enable row click so that you can navigate to the actual list item. Click on Add Click Event. Some values are predefined here, like the click target is the row itself, but could also be a cell in the list. The parameter case IDO has already been identified, and the action we want to apply is to open the case entity. What we must select is the entity we want to open upon click, and that can be found under Template. Select the template called Case, Read Only. Click on the plus button to add the click event. Then, click on Close. Click on Admin Settings to minimize the admin settings. Now you have a clickable list of only your cases on your Start Page tab for case follow-up. This is just one of many use cases where you can apply your list component. Let's now have a look at what a list component can look like on an entity like the case. By clicking on a case row, the case will open. I have already prepared a tab called Other Cases. It's done using the same technique as when we put it on the start page. The steps are once again, click the toolbox button, navigate to the tabs, and add a Sweet Automation list, then save and start configure the list component.
And this is the custom theming feature, which allows you to have your own colors for the elements in Sweet, as well as for the fonts. You could also add your logo to really make it yours. It's kind of straightforward, so let's have a look at how it works. The new way of sharing your Sweet forms is through the QR code. It's perfect when you're on an event and want someone to scan the code to directly access the forms, as well as if you want to have it on your website or somewhere where you cannot actually click the link. We have provided you with this QR code both for copying, downloading, as well as embedding. The shareable links is now more easy accessible as well. Also kind of straightforward, but let's have a look at how it works.
In this video, you will learn how to get a QR code for your Sweet forms. The QR code can be used to link to your form, either as a printed representation or embedded somewhere on the web in a video or anywhere you want. To find the QR code for your form, open the form you want and simply click Publish Settings. Where the links are, both the standard and shareable link, you can either copy the link itself or get the QR code. Click the QR code button to view it. From here, you can either copy the image, download it, or copy the code to embed it. And you're done. Thanks for using Sweet, where all the pieces come together.
And we have listened to you, the feedback you've been giving us, and now we allow you to, on the list questions in Sweet Forms, provide customized text on the button called Add New Row. And this is perfect when you want to define what you're adding. Let's say add new insurance or add a new person or whatever it may be. So a small yet powerful feature that you've been asking us for now in this release. Apart from that, it's good to know that we have now moved the unpublishing of older versions from the pop-up that you are giving in Sweet Form when you create a new version of a Sweet Form. It has now moved into the publish settings, and you must yourself go in to the publish settings and untick the boxes of the forms that you would like to unpublish. So that setting has now moved. We have also discontinued our support from the e-signing provider Verified. We do support Scribe and Signicat for our e-signing and authentication. Apart from that, we are working hard on meeting the legislation of the Accessibility Act taking place in 2025. We will make sure to reach up to the WCAG standard 2.0, and you will be informed shortly. For more information, visit our website, and in the footer you will find more information about this. In Sweet Automation, we have now added support for another message queue and service broker, the Microsoft Azure Service Bus. Some of you might already know that we have integrations to Kafka and Google PubSub, for instance, for listening to events and acting in real time on things that happen. So this is yet another one that we support as an integration to the Sweet Automation platform. So if you're in need for a message broker integrating your systems and listening to events, have a look at this one. When it comes to document management, we have extended our support for both creating templates and providing them with data that you store in Sweet, either in Automation, Forms, or your CRM platform, so that the templates can be pre-filled with data from Sweet. We have also created a new Merge PDF feature that allows you to merge several PDFs into one. This might be perfect if you want to send several PDFs for e-signing or some other purpose. Apart from that, we have extended our integration with Microsoft's Graph API to the SharePoint and Teams files so that you can both upload and download content in between Sweet and your SharePoint or Teams file location. So, these are our features from this release. If you are ready to upgrade, or if you want to read more about the release, visit our website, contact us for a personalized demo, and we will get you to the next step where you get access to all the new features of this release. Thank you for listening and have a great day.